Hello, today we're going to see about some animal danger on signs. Stay in touch and always like, comment and subscribe. That's important. Hello, today it's a great day and here in Norway we have deers, we have rabbits, we have jumping hares and birds, and on this island we also have some moose, but not many. So instead of make a big mess of a big moose danger, we just say a tiny elk danger. With a little elk fara. That means tiny elk danger or moose. So why bother with something big when it's small? You see, it's much greater deer danger because it doesn't say tiny under. Please do what you can to make sure that your neighbor are safe, and see if you can do something without bringing some danger to them. Stay in love and stay in peace. Bye for now.